Welcome to Emanuel's Kitchen in Mandeville Town. Yes, Mandeville Town. We came across this hidden gem, this restaurant that gives an uptown feel, but a nice, easy, breezy, cool Mandeville humble feeling. We have this nice urban feeling bar at the front and an open kitchen at the front as well, so you can see how your food is being prepared. And then now there's a bathroom to the back. The bathroom well renovated. Yo, you see the bathroom? It is clean. Alright, and at the front you can sit and take pictures, and over this side now is the dining area, which is like an open patio, fresh air blowing through. You can see outside. I tell you, nice. The decor, the lights. The only thing, the menu, they want change. The menu start look a bit worn out, but it is still okay. Alright, the customer service was so good. Our server was friendly and she did nice, I'm not telling no lie. Like, you know, really can't get good customer service again in a Mandeville, much less Jamaica, but she did that. So if you're watching this, big up yourself, the waitress who served us. Alright, so we got complimentary garlic toast. And the toast did warm, just warm and delicious, nice garlicky buttery toast. It tastes so good that you all want one more or two more or three more. Me don't buy it if them didn't sell it. It was so good. Yo, because which other restaurant in Mandeville gives you complimentary garlic bread? All the cat do you want some of the garlic toast the way how it tastes good. It's a kids friendly restaurant as well, so you can bring the whole family here. It's time for the food. I hear a lot about these pork chops. I hear that people stay all the way at Kingston and order them pork chops the way how it tastes so good. And of course, you look for the pork chops. The pork chops look divine. It look good, man. Oh Lord. And of course, my brother who ordered this, him say look good. The curry goat, my father is hard to please, and him actually said the curry goat I ordered the chicken alfredo pasta, come boring, and Jamaicans feel like say the pasta the only thing that tastes good and the only thing we fancy, and the pasta they taste so good. And I was like, yo, if you haven't tried pasta or alfredo pasta ever in your life, this is a nice restaurant to explore in Mandeville that can actually create a nice pasta dish. My husband ordered, why mother some vegetable Chinese dish. Yes, it is good, really good. Like, they're not skimpy with the vegetables. So if you want to eat healthy, like, Emanuel's Kitchen is the place for you to go and order a lot of vegetables, and you will get your fair serving of vegetables. It was my mother's birthday, and of course we enjoyed her 26th birthday. Yes, no stop loud at the woman age. She's 26, still young and still beautiful. Happy birthday, mommy. But Emanuel's Kitchen was a perfect restaurant to enjoy and celebrate my mother's birthday. The food tastes really good. The price is competitive. Customer service good. And the wait time never so bad. Especially when they give it like a garlic bread for whole way down in like a time. And the environment was clean. You see the bathroom there, it is pristine. And you can take some little picture at the front. Sit down on the high heel shoes. And you know, say, we always have to give thanks and praises to God. So here's a little Bible verse, you know what I mean? And I'm convinced that nothing can separate us from God's love. Neither death, nor life, neither angels, nor demons, neither our fears for today, nor our worries about tomorrow. Not even powers of hell can separate us from God's love. No power in the sky above or in the earth below. Indeed, nothing in all creation will ever be able to separate us from the love of God that is revealed in Jesus Christ, our Lord. You hear that? Wow. Bye. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes like this.